Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Evil Bunny event in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, this is one of the event from the Easter update in Grow a Garden, and if you want to join the event, you need to talk to this Evil Bunny. It's right here, and you're going to sacrifice your plant basically if you want to join this event. You can click on I'll do it guys to take the quest. He will ask you to destroy your plant and he will give you rewards, and these are the possible rewards from the Evil Bunny. You can get chalk coins, candy pop seed, Easter crate, golden egg, and orchid mantis, and Easter sprout seed. Okay, actually the rewards are so cool, and I'm going to take the quest and let's see what will he ask to me. Okay, I need to destroy my paradise petal. We can use our shovel and I'm going to destroy it. Okay, I'm going to click on confirm, and we're going to return to the Evil Bunny to claim our reward. I hope that I can get the golden egg. Okay, please. Golden egg, please. I'm going to click on I did it. Give. Oh my god, I got one golden egg. So, okay guys, that's how we can join the Evil Bunny event in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.